Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Hamba shangane 1 fuse kushangane fuse kushangane fuse 2 we shangane suke endleleni 3 le ngoma lezi zontathu specifically ecula ngamashangane ziphule ziqedile inhliziyo zabantu baseLimpopo. Ngicela ukuthi abakwazi ukuthi batheke noma bakhulume noma bafinyelele koBhuti uPhakela sisiJesinta uBhuti Ungizwe nazo zonke insizwa zasemzansi nosisi abantu abazobona le video. Ngicela nazi ukuthi le video iyayikhanda idamage specifically kubantu abangamashangane abaseLimpopo. Ba proud ukuthi bayazazi ukuthi ba amashangane. Ba Matsonga as well, the way they are identified as well, even though kune diversity nakhona lapho, but that's not the point. The point is ukucula ngokuthi fuseke shangane ekubeni bona beyabantu basemzansi kuyabalimaza. Bathi leyo ngoma ibhebhethekisa itribalism, lento ezanye ukubhulwa njengamanje South Africa. So we all know the history yamashangane. They are very related to AmaZulu, tracing back from uSoshangane himself. So lengoma lezi mekuzothiwa fuseki kufilakala ngathi nabo bayazondwa noma bayadelela noma bayaxoshwa. So abayithandi. Bengihlale ngiyibona ke ku Facebook ngiyithatha kancane le ndaba yale ngoma. Ngibona ama comment amabili amathathu but bengiku live ke manje ku TikTok. Bengihleli nje lapha yana ku live nabantu ke nje abamashangane namatsonga noma beyinto eyodwa ke. Mina ngingedwa ngiwumZulu. Bekukhulunywa sona ke futhi isitsonga. But ke ngangena nje futhi bangamkela ngamamela bebengakazi nokuthi ngikhuluma yipi language. Hayi kwagcina kuthiwa hawu general ucomment nawe ngacommenta ke mina ngazi identifier futhi ukuthi amZulu. So kuyo ke leyo nkulumo leyo ngifuna nazi bayayithanda into eyenziwa iMarch and March too much. Bayalithanda lelizwe abayithandi lento eyenzeka kulelizwe bayafuna nabo ukuba ingxenye yokuklina lelizwe bayafuna ukubona iMarch and March izosiza naseLimpopo njengoba ihamba isiza kuzo zonke ingxenye zala eSouth Africa. But specifically le ngoma iya straight iyophula inhliziyo zabo because they are amashangane. So bengicela ukuthi le ngoma lena bantu basemzansi izinsizwa bosisi boBhuti uPhakela noma ningenza nje live Nkosi yami ngeke ni explain le ndaba nisho abantu bezwe ngoba mina ngeke lifinyelele kubo bonke abantu le video ukuthi le ngoma lena noma bemasha kuphi as long as kumashelwa iunity le ngoma ayingaphakamiswa ngalendlela ayifakelwe ipopolo Nkosi yami ukuthi wonke umuntu ohlala eSouth Africa azifile ukuthi naye uyingxenye yabantu okumele balwe ngokulingana ukulwela lelizwe.
Lento esifuna ukuthi uyikhulume you will end up speaking it, Mr. President. You will end up speaking it.
Laws, we are increasing our inspection. We do need to address the challenge of migration. When it is well managed and regulated, migration can help to drive economic growth and opportunity for all. However, we need to deal with illegal migration. We have seen how illegal immigration into our country can put pressure on our public services and undermine our efforts to create decent work for all.
What have we been saying? What have we been saying? Hunini ntse bua puo ye, hunini ntse bina pina ye. Hunini silikola le lekolo since 2020, 2021, 2022 during COVID. We've been saying this thing. Kunini silikola le lekolo. Finally, Mr. President, you are admitting it. You are saying it. Uzabolikhuluma iqiniso, uzolikhuluma ngenkani iqiniso. Ama-South African akabhengwi ngempela, akabhengwa, akusiwona insango. Ama-South African akusiwona insango. Asibhengwi thina. Asibhengwi thina la. Ya mhlawumbe amanye amazwe in Africa, hayi la. Asibhengwi thina. We are not insango thina la. Ari matekwani runa. Ari tsujwi runa mo. We are South Africans. Into masithi siyayifuna sizoyithola. There is nothing that will stand in the way of a South African when we are together. Nothing. Ngicela ukuthi nisifundise namhlanje abantu bemzansi. Nothing. If we become one and stand, there is nothing that will overcome us as a country. That's why they would want to divide us through this peddling of lies. Asibhenge withina, akusiona insango thina. Ma South Africans, we are not. What have we been saying? Uphi uThabo Mbeki? Baphi amanye ama-analyst? Baphi? Abo Sandile Swan, baphi? Nabanye futhi, they like the same who think that way. Textbook thinkers and those that analyze based on data that can be manipulated. Because if the integrity of the input is compromised, surely the integrity of the output is compromised. I'm talking about data science now and statistics. Now we are Koloma Manchu, Babueni. President Ramaphosa.
In the State of the Nation address, government is taking decisive action to address this challenge. We are cracking down on violations of immigration laws. We are increasing our inspections of workplaces and prosecuting employers who violate our labor laws. We are strengthening, Madam Speaker, we are strengthening border security, stamping out corruption in the immigration system, and closing the loopholes in fragmented immigration laws. We must be clear, however, every person in South Africa, whether they are citizens or foreign nationals, must respect our laws. They must.
Oh, so there are foreign nationals in the country. You agree with that, Mr. President? They are citizens and they are foreign nationals.
Also, respect the rights of every person in our country.
Asibhenge withina. Asibhenge withina. South Africans, asibhenge withina. Into masithi siyayifuna, if we become one, whatever we want, we will achieve. Asibhenge withina. So senithini manje nina banye. This is our country, ladies and gentlemen. This thing of illegal foreigners. And Nyamuzi Guti, President is saying that we are taking steps. Oh, I thought you said that you have taken that in your SONA speech. I thought you but wait. This thing is an act of agency, not even emergency, agency. This thing is an act of agency. And employers who are found to have employed illegal foreigners, obviously they're going to be prosecuted. He's talking about the private sector. I guess let this audit start in the public sector, government sector. Nizobathola khona baningi kabi lapha. Kuma institutions wait. Employers. Who's government? Vets. UFC, UCT, you what? Nikwele lapsiaz and fraudulently so with fraudulent papers. Meleguti, this cleanup must also go there. As Ben with Tina, we are South Africans.
A Zulu man has called out Uphakela Mthakathi, Ungizwe no Jacinta to say, please come forward and address this issue that has been happening for the longest time now. He even sang the songs that are against Shangani people, Tsonga people. Yes, to say, can you please stop this thing? Can you please address this issue to stop singing these songs? Because Tsonga people, they do love the March and March program and they support it. And now it becomes somehow when these kind of songs are being sang out there. You can just imagine you're a Tsonga person, you're in this March and March, and then they sing such a song. How would you feel? Obviously, you would feel somehow. Which for me, I feel like he have a very good point. He's raising a very good point to say, let's respect each other. We are all South Africans. Whether you are Tsonga, whether you are Venda, whether you're Zulu, whether you are what, we are all equally South Africans. We have to know that and respect that. But with this one, I saw Uphakela Mthakathi responded saying that he does not stand with that. He does not stand with these songs, and they have been saying for the longest time that we must stop singing such songs because those Shangani people that are being dissed here on this in this song are also South Africans. And as South Africans, we have to stand together to fight one problem. But if we divide, then nothing is going to happen because in unity, you can do anything. But when you are divided, it becomes difficult. And then Mr. President has actually addressed this on his own to say the issue of illegal immigrants have to be addressed, have to be dealt with accordingly, which I do stand with him. I do stand with him 100% to say maybe these March and March were not going to be here if there were no issue of illegal immigrants. Maybe these cases that we are witnessing today will not going to be here. But yes, I do stand with him. I do agree with him. Which yes, this has to be fixed. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think?